guys, naghahanap rin ba kayo ng ATM na madali siyang dalhin and madali lang din siyang makuha? Yes, pwede nyo na siyang kunin ngayon sa GCash as long as meron kang 250 pesos kasama na yung shipping fee is maaari ka na makakuha ng iyong usable and very helpful na Mastercard. So watch this video. This is for you. Of course, you need to have an account, GCash. Then click this on a circle part, yung mabibilugan, yung cards. And then pagpunta dyan, makikita nyo to, lalabas to, order card, send me card, then next, then type all your information regarding to personal things that you have so that GCash can connect that on your card. Here I show you some of my information, but some of it's not true for view purposes only. But I am from Bagna and my SIP zone is 3,000. And ayan na, actually na-purchase ko na siya. Here we go, unbox natin siya. Of course, once you order it, mag-aantay ka at least 5 to 7 days maximum process nila. Then, i-deliver naman siya sa house nyo. That's why you put some of your information on addresses, and address, and dyan nila i-deliver. I have actually 2 Visa cards, kaya hindi na siya bago sa akin. I want to share to you guys para matuto kayo kung paano ba siya i-link or kung paano ba siya i-purchase sa mismong GCash account nyo. Kailangan nyo ay verified kayo At this part, guys, I tried to use this in Korean convenience store around here, my lolas. So, accepted siya. Nagagamit siya as long as yung tumatanggap ng card is Visa or may makikita kayong Visa. Pwede siya. Hi, ayan guys, sa mga kaaning. So, if you want me to show you how to link this card, maaari nyo siyang magamit sa Visa outlet, yung mga Visa, pamilihan, Busy Bank, kung paano kayo mag-withdraw. So, ayan, comment down below para maipakita ko rin sa inyo yung tutorial. So, that's it for today's video.